story is very interesting, which is title of Peppa Pig and the Day at Snowy Mountain. Let's begin. Peppa and George wake up one day and look out the window. It's snowing. It's snowing. Oh, see, like this. Hooray! They can't wait to go outside. We'll go to Snowy Mountain, says Mummy Pig. But first you have to put on your hats and coats and mittens. Pip and George were dressed and ready to go. Wait for Daddy Pig and me, says Mummy Pig. Snowy Mountain is fun, says Mummy Pig. We can go sledding and ice skating and skiing too. Oh. Dad carries Peppa and George up to sledding hills, but they don't have a sled. Peppa has an idea. Whiz! She says, a dead sled. At the bottom of the hill is a skating ring. Let's stay skate, says Peppa. Peppa skates and falls. Oh, very bad. And tries again. Mommy Pig helps. Peppa is skating. Peppa helps George. He's a good skater. Where you can see the every scared. See, that was fun, says Peppa. I'm ready for skiing. Peppa and George follow Mommy and Daddy Pig to the base of the snowy mountain. What's that? Asked Peppa. It's a ski lift, says Mommy. That's how we will get the top of the mountain. It's very high, says Dad. But Daddy doesn't like heights. Don't look down, says Mommy. But Daddy does look down. He topples out of the ski lift. Where did Daddy Pig go? There are you, Daddy, says Papa. You are walking, talking snow, Daddy. Brr, he. Then they met with their friends. Madame Gasly and Papa's friends are there here. It's time to ski. Sky. Yoo-hoo! Enjoying! How was the story?